In this tutorial, we will show you what elements are and what advantages they offer. With the elements of Empower Docs, you have the possibility to graphically highlight essential content of your documents. Professional documents can be created in no time. It is possible to insert elements from the library with just a few clicks via the Quick Access pane. To do this, click on Content Blocks on the Quick Access pane, which is located on the right edge of your workspace. If the Quick Access pane is not directly visible, click on Content Blocks in the element drop-down menu in the Insert group of the Empower ribbon, and the Quick Access pane will open automatically. You can then search the folder structure for the desired elements from your library using the thumbnails, whether it is icons, text elements, tables, or charts. To insert an element, simply double-click on it or use the Insert Content Block button on the bottom. The chosen element is then placed where the cursor is. Now let's add a text element too. And here you find an example for a table and then a chart. Of course, you can edit the content block after inserting as you usually do in Microsoft Word. So let's call it client here, cost and revenue. Furthermore, even longer text blocks can be inserted to your document in no time. The variety of content blocks depends on content stored by admins. If your document should contain images, you can easily add them from your library again using our Quick Access pane. If you want to change an image already inserted in your document quickly, simply click on it in your document and then choose a different one from the library. Empower Docs automatically exchanges the elements. Now feel free and test these functions yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.